Well, we are in for a stretch of wet weather. You're looking at live IMAX 12 after more than a week of hot and dry. Get ready for days of rain. In Canton, this issue has burdened streets for years. WJTV 12's Alex Love spoke to homeowners along affected roads, and he joins us live in studio with what they're dealing with. Alex?
Yes, there are neighborhoods on both sides of Peace Street expecting to see their yards and driveways flooded. It's because runoff to creeks and drainage ditches just can't seem to keep up with the rainfall.
With storms in the forecast all through the weekend, locals in Canton have only one thought on their minds.
I think it's going to be a bad flood, and it's going to be the same way it was the last time. People got to move out.
If it rains a day and a half, it's going to flood down here.
If there's any significant rain, there's going to be some people that's out of work. There's going to be some people that's not able to stay in their homes.
One of those areas on the northwest side of town is Johnson Street, where homeowners downhill from Canton's main streets only have one ditch in their front yards to run off rainwater.
The water's coming off the hill. It's going to back up because it can't flow down there in the ditch because the pipe is in the ditch and the water's covering the pipe up, and it ain't gonna have nowhere to go until it stops raining.
One family told us the city made it out earlier this week and dug their ditch deeper to hold more water, but there's still much more work to be done.
It's a lot more talk than action. We're bringing in this one, and we're bringing in these engineers, and we're going to try to find a solution, but they've been finding a solution for the last 4 years.
On the south side of town, neighbors along Cameron Street are also dealing with ditches clogged with weeds and dirt, putting many lives at risk.
You got elderly people down here. Some people in wheelchairs can't get around too good. When it comes a big flood, the city come in with a boat, got to get them out when they can get up all day behind and go down and clean them ditches and things out, clean these sewer drains and whatnot. People don't have money to keep going to the motel room trying to stay when their problem could be fixed, and the mayor need to get off his behind and do something too.
We reached out to Mayor William Truly's office today for updates on flood prevention projects with storms coming in, but have not heard back.